Hi, today we are going to talk about adding fractions with unlike denominators. Example, 3 over 4 and 2 over 5. So we check the denominators. They are unlike. So we have to make them equal. How do you make them equal? We have to use LCM of 4 and 5. Let's find LCM. 4, 5. I use division method. So here 4 can be divided by 2, start from 2. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 5 can't, continue. Then we have 2 again, divided by 2, 1. 5 can't, we continue. Then divided by 5, 1 we continue. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Then LCM equals 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. So common denominator is 20. So you have to convert, or you have to change these denominators to 20. So I'm going to write the fractions again. 3 over 4 and 2 over 5. Then how do you change 4 to 20? Multiplied by 5. Then numerator also we have to multiply by 5. Then this fraction denominator is 5. How do you change 5 to 20? Multiplied by 4. Then numerator also multiplied by 4. Now you simplify and write 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 2 times 4, 8. Then 20, you add 15 and 8. So 15 and 8, that is 23. Then this is improper fraction. We have to convert that one to mixed number. So how many 20s are there for 23? That is 1. Denominator doesn't change, and the remainder 3. Next example, 3 over 7 and 1 over 3. For this one, I'm not going to use LCM. No LCM. 3 over 7 and 1 over 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this denominator by the other denominator. So 7 multiplied by 3. Then when you multiply by 3 denominator, you have to multiply numerator also by 3. Now this fraction, it is 1 over 3, denominator 3. What is the other denominator? That is 7 multiplied by 7. Then when you multiply denominator, you have to multiply numerator also. Now you get 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 7, that is 21. 1 times 7, 7. 3 times 7, 21. Then common denominator 21. 9 at 7, that is 60. This method also okay, but this method you have to use for smaller denominators. Don't use this for larger denominators because it's a little bit complicated there. Okay, in this example we have 3 fractions. So when you have 3 fractions, better use LCM method. So denominators 12, 15 and 10. So I'm going to use division method. 12, 15 and 10 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 15 can't. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 6 is there, so I'm gonna divide by 2 again. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 15 can't. 5 also can't. Here we have 3, then I'm gonna divide by 3, so 3 divided by 3, that is 1. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 5 can't. We continue. Then we have 5. I'm going to divide by 5. 1 we have to continue. 5 divided by 5, 1. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 1, 1, 1. Then LCM equals 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 5. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, that is 60. So common denominator is 60. Now I'm going to write the fractions again. 7 over 12 and 8 over 15, 1 over 10. Then I'm going to change denominators to 60. So 12 multiplied by 5, you get 60. Then 7 also multiplied by 5. 15 multiplied by 4, you get 60. Then 8 also multiplied by 4. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. Then 1 also multiplied by 6. Now 12 times 5, that is 60. 7 times 5, 35. 15 times 4, that is 60. 8 times 4, that is 32. 10 times 6, that is 60. 1 times 6, that is 6. Now common denominator is 60, so you write 60. Then you add the numerators. 35 and 32, that is 67. Add 6, that is 73. Then improper fraction, we have to make it mixed number. How? How many 60s are there for 73? That is 1. Denominator doesn't change, 60, and the remainder is 30. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.